to just run through how I work in Terrain Builder. So you should have received or obtained somehow the Avebury test project. So you should have that in P Maps Avebury, which means all the folders and settings are configured already for you. So when we open the map, we know it will work. So before we do that, Pt0 tools is going to be necessary to compile it into a PBO. So again, one of the prerequisites is that you have Pt0 installed. Looks like this, and the settings should look like this. So the mod output folder is like a normal, wherever you keep your mods, so in your DayZ folder, and because you'll be processing it just as if it's a normal mod. Source folder is it's P Maps Avebury. I've got a previous example here, so that's the top of your Pt0. Settings for setup, and these exclusions will be included as a text file or in the description, so you won't have to type all those. And then finally the warnings and errors should look like that. And if you've set it up like that and you're using the Avebury test project, you should be able to crunch. Okay, that's finished. Okay, so Pt0 is set up and working. Let's have a look at the project itself. So let's open Terrain Builder, File, Open Project, P Maps Avebury, Source, Terrain Builder, Avebury TV4P. Okay, so here is your surface mask, height map, sat map. Right, so the usual routine would be to do your work, add your object. Let's add a castle to our layer. Pop it there. There it is. Okay, save. I'm not doing bulldozer, so obviously here you would work in bulldozer. But presume you've just done an hour's worth of laying objects and whatnot, and you want to see what it looks like. So save. So map frame, processing. You may need to rebuild terrain, you may not. Click it anyway, and then we need to generate our layers. So as a rule, you tick them all with 6 materials per cell. Generate layers. These layers are going into P Maps Avebury data layers, and sometimes you have to delete that folder, the contents of that folder. So yeah, layers come and go. You will be regenerating them quite a lot. That's the layers. So okay, save. Always be saving. File, export WRP. This is the actual terrain itself, and that goes into P Maps Avebury World Avebury WRP. Okay, so we're back where we were a minute ago, but we've done some edits. So we'll run our Pt0 again. Crunch. Okay, still took 6 seconds, but we're now updated our PBO with our new edits.